Good morning. My name is Ankita Samuel. I basically belongs to Lucknow, living in Gurgaon like since for 5-6 years, and by profession I'm a nurse. So I come to know by my friends, and so many of my friends were landing into the broad countries for their career path and for their career stability, just for the obviously for the human survival. So I also inspired by one of my many friends who has landed there now, and I know my potential and skill and start seeking about the organization who can help me into my whole process. And finally, with me so many of research, I landed up with province immigration. So the people, when I approach there, the people, they are very helpful. They are very active listeners, down from the executive level till up to the managerial level. So initially, I started my process with Ashwini, my case manager. So she initially started it so well. She listened all my queries so patiently, and then she made me explain the whole process. And she's a very good counselor too. I would like to mention, and I would like to add up that point too. So whenever we feel in terms of IELTS preparation or in terms of, again, because so many rumors are going on, so whenever we listen anything, we approach to her, and she with the facts, she always thought cleared out all the doubts. Later on, when she moved out of the system, system, the managerial people, the whole management, in a very smooth transition, allotted me another case manager named Agnes. She's again out of the, I can say, the pearl for the province immigration. And she also handled my all the queries. What for also her, I would like to add one more point. No matter what the time is, she used to approach me as per our availability, as we are also busy in our tight schedule and with our whole manner of work. So she always opted to work us accordingly. So I would like to mention, and I would like to thank Agnes till now in her smooth transition, in her counseling, in her follow-ups. That is very highly required because everybody is busy, and I can trust, and now I can rely on province immigration so much. And I'm definitely going to consider, and I'm definitely going to refer so many of my friends for this smooth transition. So they have this values of 24/7 customer availability, transparency. So yes, they do have these all things. And until now, these all processes happening with me. I'm so very happy to be part of this province immigration, hoping ahead to get my Canada PR visa as soon as possible. Thank you so much.